What's up? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ang gagawin natin today is to make iced mocha. So, meron ako nito. Tsaka, meron ako mga measuring cups. So, ang gagawin natin, kumuha ako ng kape. So, kukuha ka ng 2 teaspoon ito. So, teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. Ayan. So, lalagay ko dito. Ayan. 2. And then, tutunawin natin ng 50 ml na hot water. So, 50 ml lang. So, this is 60. So, ganyan lang. Okay. So, we'll just mix natin. Di kita. Tutunawin natin. And then, after that, maglalagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon of milk syrup. Hindi pa. Cocoa pala. Cocoa. Where's my cocoa? 1 tablespoon of cocoa. Medyo mahal tong cocoa ko, guys. Kasi branded to. 1 quartan. 1 quartan. 1 Houghton. So again, we have to mix. Ayan. Hindi naman to 16 ounce. Parang malaki. So, konti lang. Maliit. Dito lang din banda yung gagawin natin. So, we'll just have to mix. Mix and mix. So, after natin ma-mixture na to, yung coffee, cocoa powder, lalagyan natin ng 1/4 cup of syrup or milk syrup. So, here we go. Lalagyan natin. Ito na, guys. Lalagyan natin. Then, mix again. So, just mix. So, papaano natin to dyan. And then, itong cup natin, lalagyan ko ng chocolate syrup. Ginamit ko Hershey's. Yung Hershey's parang nasa 200 to 300 pesos yata. So, just put some beauty here. Okay. Yan. And then, lalagyan ko ng ice. Naku. Ano na tong ice ko? Ano na siya? Yung ice ko ay malapit ng hilis. Patunaw. Hilis. Diyan lang. Then after that, kung gusto mo lagyan ng sugar, you can put sugar as well. So you just have to put maybe a bit, like 1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Yeah. So, kasi mocha eh. So you can put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then just mix. Pwedeng hindi na kung ayaw nyo sa matamis. Kasi meron naman siyang mixture ng evap tsaka milk maid. So, dito. So, we'll just focus the camera here. Yan. So, focus natin dito. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng 150 ml na hot water. So, this is... Wait. Wala akong 150. So, 180 120 minus 150. So, ito. This is 120. And 30. Dito lang. Yan. And then just mix. Yan na. Charing! Tikman ko. Sarap. Masarap siya. So, lagyan nyo lang ng straw. Okay? Stocks na ko. This is Iced Mocha. Fantastic. So that's all for today, folks. Next is we'll make another coffee brew. Siguro coffee latte. At saka yung mga soda. Until next time, see you again. Bye.